MrBeast and cryptocurrency. Is he secretly investing in the next crypto boom? Jimmy Donaldson, widely known as MrBeast, is one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, with over 200 million subscribers. His content revolves around extreme challenges, massive giveaways, and philanthropic efforts, making him one of the most influential figures on the internet. But beyond his YouTube success, many speculate about his potential involvement in cryptocurrency investments. Has MrBeast secretly invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any emerging altcoins? Could he be backing the next crypto boom? In this article, we will explore his connections with cryptocurrency, past endorsements, and what his potential involvement could mean for the market. MrBeast's past involvement with cryptocurrency. MrBeast has not been directly promoting cryptocurrency as aggressively as Elon Musk or Mark Cuban, but there have been indications that he is interested in the space. Over the years, he has been linked to various crypto-related projects, including giveaways, NFT promotions, and sponsorships by crypto firms. One of the most notable incidents occurred when MrBeast collaborated with Coinbase, a major cryptocurrency exchange. In one of his videos, he encouraged users to sign up for Coinbase and receive free Bitcoin. This sparked rumors that he may have invested heavily in Bitcoin or other digital assets. Additionally, there have been multiple reports suggesting that MrBeast was an early investor in Ethereum and Solana. While he has never publicly confirmed these claims, his association with tech entrepreneurs and financial influencers suggests he is well aware of the potential of blockchain technology. Why would MrBeast invest in crypto? There are several compelling reasons why MrBeast might be drawn to cryptocurrency. 1. Diversification of wealth. MrBeast generates millions of dollars monthly through YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Investing in crypto could serve as a way to diversify his wealth and hedge against inflation. 2. Future of digital payments. As a content creator, he is constantly exploring new ways to engage with his audience and expand his business. Cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin and stablecoins, could be integrated into his business operations, enabling global transactions with lower fees. 3. NFT and metaverse opportunities. MrBeast has previously expressed interest in NFTs. If he were to create his own NFT collection or invest in the metaverse, it would bring significant attention to these sectors. 4. Influencer-led crypto adoption. With his massive audience, MrBeast has the power to shift market trends. If he were to make a public announcement about investing in a certain coin, the price of that cryptocurrency would likely skyrocket overnight. Speculation. Is MrBeast secretly holding crypto? Despite the rumors, MrBeast has never explicitly confirmed his involvement in cryptocurrency investments. However, based on his public activities, there are a few reasons to believe he may have a hidden crypto portfolio. His association with crypto-friendly companies. MrBeast has been sponsored by companies like Coinbase, FTX, and Cash App, all of which have strong ties to the crypto world. This suggests he has at least some level of exposure to cryptocurrency. Investing in emerging trends. MrBeast is known for getting ahead of trends before they become mainstream. He was one of the first YouTubers to fully embrace high-budget challenge videos, and he successfully built a multi-million-dollar brand around it. If history repeats itself, he might be investing in crypto projects behind the scenes. His network includes crypto investors. MrBeast is close friends with several big-name entrepreneurs and tech investors. Many of them are known to be involved in crypto trading and blockchain startups. It is highly likely that he has been influenced by them. The potential impact of MrBeast on crypto markets. If MrBeast were to publicly endorse a cryptocurrency or reveal his holdings, it would have an immediate and massive effect on the market. 1. Mass adoption acceleration. MrBeast's audience is primarily young, tech-savvy individuals who are already interested in digital innovation. If he were to introduce them to cryptocurrency, we could see a major spike in new users entering the crypto space. 2. Increase market confidence. Similar to how Elon Musk influenced Dogecoin and Bitcoin, MrBeast's involvement in crypto could build trust and attract both retail and institutional investors. 3. Creation of a MrBeast coin. Many YouTubers have launched their own crypto tokens or NFT collections. If MrBeast were to release his own cryptocurrency, it could rival some of the biggest meme coins in the industry. What if MrBeast publicly buys Bitcoin or Ethereum? A major catalyst for crypto price surges is celebrity endorsements. If MrBeast were to make an official announcement stating, "I just bought $10 million worth of Bitcoin," this could trigger a FOMO, fear of missing out effect, driving thousands of people to invest. Historically, celebrity involvement in crypto has pushed markets to new highs. For example, Elon Musk's tweets about Bitcoin and Dogecoin sent their prices soaring. Jack Dorsey, Twitter's founder, has been a vocal Bitcoin supporter, influencing thousands of investors. Snoop Dogg, Eminem, and other celebrities have launched NFT projects, increasing adoption. If MrBeast follows this path, we could see a similar market reaction. Conclusion: will MrBeast join the crypto boom? While there is no definitive proof that MrBeast has invested in cryptocurrency, all signs point to a strong possibility. Given his history of early adoption, business expansion, and collaborations with crypto-related companies, it wouldn't be surprising if he already holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets. If MrBeast does enter the crypto space publicly, the impact would be monumental, potentially leading to a surge in new investors and market activity. Whether or not he makes a public announcement, one thing is certain: the crypto market thrives on speculation and hype, and MrBeast is a master of both. So, will we see MrBeast launch his own coin soon? Or is he already secretly investing in the next big crypto boom? Stay tuned to find out.